If your diesel truck is struggling to start on a cold morning or your heater just isn't warming up the cabin like it used to, you might have a P048F code hiding in your computer. This code relates to the exhaust pressure control valve, which is a solenoid-controlled valve used to regulate back pressure when temperatures drop. This system is designed to help increase cabin heat and aid in defrosting your windshield by trapping heat in the engine. Usually, the powertrain control module uses data from the intake air temperature sensor and the manifold absolute pressure sensor to decide when to close this valve. If the computer detects an intermittent signal from this circuit, it will disable the system and turn on your check engine light. You will likely notice increased emissions, poor engine performance, and a hard start when the engine is cold. To fix this, you should start by doing a thorough visual inspection of the exhaust pressure control valve and its wiring harness. Look for any loose connectors, frayed wires, or signs of heat damage from being so close to the exhaust. You will need a digital multimeter to test the solenoid itself. Set your meter to ohms and check the resistance between the power terminal and the ground terminal on the solenoid. If the reading is out of limits or shows an open circuit, the solenoid is dead and needs to be replaced. You should also check for 12 volts at the connector with the ignition turned on. If there is no power, you might have a blown fuse or an open wire between the computer and the sensor. While engine control modules rarely fail, you should verify the output signal from the computer if all the wiring and the solenoid test fine. Since this affects your engine's performance and emissions, you want to address it quickly to avoid further damage to your exhaust system. If you aren't comfortable testing electrical circuits, a master technician can quickly pinpoint if the issue is a simple wiring fix or a faulty valve.